lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And like them, you too could change the galaxy.
Opening day for Galaxy's Edge. Today is the opening day for Galaxy's Edge, and Hollywood Studios is packed. We've got a reservation to build a lightsaber, and we also have a reservation for Oga's Cantina.
And look at, they have a picture.
That's right. Some special photo ops. All right, you ready to go in? Are we ready? Let's do it. Feel those fans. Ooh, that's the kind of lightsaber we're gonna get, Milani. This is the future home of the Rise of Resistance. Rise of the Resistance. That will be where the entrance is. Milani really wants to say hi to Chewbacca.
You understand that? No. Neither did I.
Do you speak Wookiee, Milani?
Two. Drive. Can you all say light the fire?
Light the fire.
That goes for everyone. Ignite the spark.
Light the fire.
Ignite the spark.
Light the fire. Hey Chewie, ignite the spark.
Light the spark.
There you
I don't
go.
understand it, but I think you said light the fire.
It's less busy than you expected? Wow, you must have really expected it to be crazy.
We have been ordered to reposition and are leaving this area.
Welcome to Black Spider.
You can pet her. She's a lost cat from the planet Low Soul. She's kind of like a kitty. I keep her.
Cody's pretty easy to care for. He just asks that you don't fight him. They make really good co-pilots. You want to be a pilot someday? I was a pilot. Were you? Oh, that's so exciting. Be sure to keep an eye out for those first order stormtroopers. Let's hear them cause our last round. How do you make this shape?
Yeah, they're on flicker.
Oh, be careful! You have a dangerous rat tar there, Milani. Get that rat tar out of here.
Hey! Be careful! Hey!
Hey, it's gonna get you now. It's gonna get you.
Let me out.
This thing is crazy.
Which one is the button?
It's where my thumb is. Well, that's cool. R2-D2 and C-3PO move around. Ooh, he's made out of like wood or
Only his
plastic.
head.
I think these are made out of wood.
And
These are all made out of wood.
You have a chance to do this one, Daddy.
Oh, look. They still have the R2 and 3POs.
These are actually fans, and they are moving a lot of air. We're at Savi's workshop. We're gonna build a lightsaber. Lots of people here and extremely hot, sweating like crazy.
Which style have you selected?
I have no idea.
What does this say? Peace and justice?
That's the Jedi one. We should do that one, right, Milani? Peace and justice? Is that Jedi?
This is based on the Republic era Jedi. This one's based on the Sith.
Okay.
This one is based off of nature all around us. And then this one is older than the old Republic.
So we went for peace and justice. We're gonna build a peace and justice one. Milani really wanted to do power and control, but I said, no, we gotta go with the Jedi today. Perfect, thank you.
Welcome to our workshop. I know that it's a little, well, it's a lot. But to us, it is everything. Now, I think that you've met most of us. Here's Sam. You may call me Ken. We've been waiting a very long time for this moment. We've been waiting for you. So who are we? We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics from forgotten places, abandoned outposts. We search battle-ravaged planets. Wherever we find these relics, we bring them here to the workshop. Now, to some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk. I want to clarify something. Some of this is new junk. So where a stormtrooper sees worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in our troubled times, preserving a past may ensure our future. We've heard the legend of Luke Skywalker. Okay? And we give there's another, a new Jedi. Do you know her name? Rey, that's right. Now where she's leading us, it's a spark of hope we've been waiting for. Which is why you are here. To look forward, to build this. The lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder with the force flowing between them. Today you will feel that connection. But enough of that. Let's begin. We start with the most important element of any lightsaber, the kyber crystal. It is able to focus the energy of the force. It magnifies the force. Some call the crystal the heart of the lightsaber. Now, the color of the crystal determines the color of the blade. You may know these from some of the greatest Jedi heroes in history. Blue. Wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and Rey. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare, beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. And red. It has been called the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We're here for you. You are our future. Now it is time to choose your crystal. I want everyone to close their eyes for me, please. And take a deep breath. Let it out. Now I want you to picture it in your mind. What color do you see? Which color calls to you? Which color is yours? In your mind's eye, I want you to choose that crystal. And remember, it is equally likely that the crystal is choosing you. Now open your eyes and take your crystal.
Good one. Good job. What is it, green?
Blue.
You got a blue one?
I want the red one.
Also, place keeps your hands from being disintegrated. Now, inside these boxes, you will find the lightsaber components that you have chosen. We have the chassis, the grip,
And the neck.
the emitter, palm cap, and activation phase. Let's build!
Right, sounds everyone, welcome. I'm Nick, I'm going to grab a lightsaber today. Let's start by grabbing that chassis. We're going to have the lines that's up to the top of the lightsaber for you. So we're going right ahead, we're going to grab the chassis right there. Next up, you're grabbing the kyber crystal. Chamber here, you see how there's a little spring to the top? Right there. So we're going to push that kyber crystal into that spring and then slide the bottom right into the middle. You hear it sing, and you see a light that lines up the same color as your kyber crystal. So then you see how there's that red and blue on there?
Yep.
It matches up to the red and blue.
Okay.
So you just snap that blue into the blue, and then that red into that red. And when you have that on there, you can hit that switch, you hear a spark signifying you're ready for that next step. So you see how there's that wider end on that one side compared to the other? Any two on there. Yeah, just a little pressure. If you have a shovel, I can help show you a little tip that Pepe showed me. And how's it going over here? Definitely make some excellent choices on there. It's a well-built lightsaber.
You could either do that, you could do that, that kind. What do you think? The old one?
Perfect. You're gonna push up and turn. Wonderful. And locked into place. Great. Okay. Next is our emitter. So you want these up on the top of yours.
Excellent choice. Wonderfully done.
Whenever your first instrument is
Wonderfully done.
Are these supposed to line up?
No.
No.
That way each lightsaber is unique to itself. So nobody will ever have the exact same as yours. Well built, good grips and everything. So now don't forget that switch, very important for later on.
We have all built our hills, and nothing unexpected or traumatic happens, because why would it? Which is why we come now to the most dangerous part of our build. Stabilizing the crystal for activation. If everyone would step back for me, please. Now the gatherers are placing your lightsaber hilts into the crystal stabilization chambers. This is a delicate process, must be done carefully by those with hours and hours of experience and training. Combustion could occur. All right, everyone. We reach the final stage of the... What is happening?
With many parts you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined. Much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda. Indeed, it is time to take that first step. We've reached the final stage. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask you to step forward, place your hands on the completed hilts, and then all together, you will activate. Are you ready?
Ready.
Then step forward. Place your hands on the hilts. And now, all together, activate! Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And like them, you too could change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please deactivate.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. In your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your lightsaber, we we are pleased to provide you with a saber sheath as you depart. Our time is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. It is time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are just as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, perhaps next time we may be telling your story. Till the spire.
Good journey.
Thank you so much. We've made it to Oga's Cantina. We have a reservation, so let's do this. So we're at Oga's Cantina. We're gonna go in and get some drinks and Oga's Obsession, which we had last time, and Milani really loved it.
We need dishwasher. Dishwasher.
So we're taking a look at the Oga's Cantina menu, and I think we're gonna go with the Blue Bantha, which is blue milk with a sugar cookie. So we're gonna do that, and Milani's favorite, the Oga's Obsession.
And I'm gonna get the blue bantha.
And Milani's getting the Blue Bantha.
I got the blue bantha, which is right here with the little sugar cookie, and I have the little Oga's Obsession. I'm gonna try the cotton candy.
What?
That's your spoon and this is mine.
I'm gonna give the Blue Bantha a try.
That's awesome.
What?
It's a flight of beer.
It's pretty good.
And you get to keep that.
Oh.
Fortunately.
Definitely has a blue taste to it. So Milani really enjoyed her Oga's Obsession. I think it's one of her favorite snacks of all time. Milani didn't really like the Blue Bantha so much, so we're gonna give the Carbon Freeze a try. Not bad.
My name is Vi Moradi. It was very nice to meet you. You keep completing those missions, okay? All right, I'll see you around.
Good luck.
What's going on in there?
The legend is that Captain Rex crash landed in this spot right here, and these are the remnants of Captain Rex's ship. They found him and reprogrammed him, and now he's DJ Rex. So we're gonna say goodbye to Batu for today, but we will be back. But we did build a lightsaber, we did go to Oga's Cantina, and it was a great time.